Well. For those of you that are familiar with custom forms, we are excited to announce that inside of custom forms, we now have a new option, which you'll see right here. It is pretty cool, I must say, is signature. That's right, signatures. So the input type is signature, and it's as simple as adding another field, just like any other, called signature. And what I've done here is I've mapped it in my base to a file type. So for example, this file type would mean that if I were to drop a signature in here, it would just go inside that. So if someone's gonna fill out this form to become a client, what now would happen is that they'd fill out all their different information. And then at the end, they would also fill out a signature. So if I were to go here and preview this, I could put my name, put my email, put my company, what the size is, and then add my signature. Ooh, look at that. This is wonderful drawing. Seriously, I can either draw it or I can text it out, which would look a lot better, honestly. Then if I press add here and submit the inquiry, it then, as you'll see right here, look at that. It adds this inside of Airtable as a signature. That's pretty cool. Very simple and easy to do. Nothing too groundbreaking here. I really like it a lot. Some different things you can obviously do is you could put any different placeholder text similar to any other fields. You can adjust the signature to like write your signature below, insert signature here, anything very basic similar to other fields. It's a really cool update though. If you're trying to get signatures out of people without needing to do a whole lot of work regarding different platforms that force you to have people sign stuff, integrate it right into your Softr app. Why not? If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and check out all of our other videos on how to improve your Softr skills even more. Just like this one right here.